Jai Hind दोस्तों. So today we are starting for the practice at 3.1 question number 5th one. Classify the following polynomial as linear equations, linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. आपको identify करना है. So power से get identify करेंगे. Now power is 2 is there, it means quadratic polynomial, and power is 1 is there, it means linear polynomial. Power is 1 is there, it means linear polynomial. Power cube is there, it means cubic polynomial. Power 2 is there, it means quadratic polynomial, and power 3 is there, it means cubic polynomial. So how to written, let's see. So just a very easy method. Now write quadratic polynomial, linear polynomial, then linear polynomial and cubic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial and this one is cubic polynomial. Question 6, write the following polynomial in standard form. Standard form में आपको लिखना है, but we arrange that. So m cube plus 3 and plus 5m arrange करेंगे according to the higher power index 3, 1 and 3. अगर आपके कुछ index power missing है तो you can write that as it is right in the standard form. And second one, 7y plus y raised to 5, 3y cube minus 1 upon 2 plus 2y raised to 4 minus y square. So same arrange करेंगे in the standard form. y raised to 5, first one is power index, highest power is 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1 and constant, right? Question number 7th one देखेंगे. write the following polynomial in coefficient form. coefficient form लिखना है, right? It means with the variable, number with the variable with the coefficient is there. So first one is 1. Now index power is missing that, so you can write as 0x square plus 0x minus 2. So x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 2. What is the coefficient is 1, coefficient is 0, 0 and minus 2, right? Second one देखेंगे. Now second one is only 5y. After that constant number missing that, you can write as it is 0. So first one is coefficient is 5 and 0, 5 and 0. Coefficient form of given polynomial is 5, 0. And third one, 2y raised to 4 minus 3y square and plus 7. So you can arrange that in the index form. 2m raised to 4 plus 0m cube minus 3m square plus 0m then plus 7. Then write the coefficient 2, 0, minus 3, 0 and 7, right? And last one, minus 2 upon 3. Coefficient form of the given polynomial is minus 2 upon 3, right? Minus 2 upon 3 कैसे आएंगे? जैसे suppose that minus 2 upon 3 है, अगर x raised to 0 आ जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएंगे? minus 2 upon 3 then into 1. So what is the coefficient? minus 2 upon 3, right? Next one देखेंगे, question number 8.1. So start for the question number 8.1. So first one, so standard form में हमें लिखना है standard form. So start for the constant 0, 1 and 2, right? x raised to 0, then x raised to 1, x raised to 2. Start from unit side, right? Unit 10, 100. So first one is constant 2m, then m square. Second one 5, 0, 0, 0 and minus 1. So start from x raised to 0, x raised to 1, x raised to 2, x raised to 3, x raised to 4. So first one क्या आएंगे? 5x raised to 4 then minus 1. Now minus 2, 2, minus 2 then 2. Standard form of the given polynomial. So you can write as it is minus 2 y cube. Start from the 0, 1, 2, 3. तो y raised to, या आप कोई भी वेरिएबल्स ले सकते हैं, ऐसा कोई डिपेंडिंग नहीं है कि ओनली y लेना है. यू कैन चूज एनी वन लेटर. सो माइनस 2y क्यूब प्लस 2y स्क्वायर माइनस 2y देन प्लस 2. लास्ट वन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9th वन, राइट एप्रोप्रिएट पॉलिनोमियल्स इन द बॉक्सेस. सो फर्स्ट वन, नाउ आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल एंड बायनोमियल, राइट? सो फर्स्ट वन, पावर इंडेक्स से आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है विच वन इज क्वाड्रेटिक डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल एंड विच वन इज टर्म ऑफ द based on the term, right? So first one, number of the terms, how many is there? 2 term, right? It means binomial, right? Binomial. Second one, how many power of the degree? 1. It means linear polynomial. सेकेंड वन देखेंगे, हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ द टर्म्स 1, इट मीन्स मोनोमियल. एंड हाउ मेनी पावर ऑफ द डिग्री इज 2, इट मीन्स क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल, राइट. थर्ड वन, 2x³ plus x² plus x and plus 5. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 3 term is there, it means there is no any mention here. Then after that, highest power of the degree is 3, it means cubic polynomial, right. Fourth one, 2x² plus 5x plus 10. How many terms? 3 terms, right, it means trinomial. After that, how many power of the degree? Highest power is 2, it means quadratic polynomial, right. Then x³ plus 9. How many terms? 2 terms, right, it means binomial. Then highest power of the degree is 3, it means cubic polynomial. Then 3x² plus 5x. How many terms? 2 terms, it means binomial, right. And highest power of the degree is 2, it means quadratic polynomial. It's a very simple and very easy method. So next वीडियो में हम प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.2 करेंगे. जय हिंद दोस्तों.